We've recently redesigned the Verto style lightweight flywheel. Made of EN8, we've now had the ring gear teeth cut into the billet. These have the 129 tooth as per the pre-engaged starter, which we've already tried on the ultralight flywheel with great success. After the ring gear teeth are cut, they're induction hardened for the starter motor Bendix to mesh with. Now we can guarantee the concentricity of the teeth, the cut of the teeth, everything on the teeth is CNC machined. We've refaced both the clutch face to make it 100% flat and also the post to give the correct drop height from the post to the clutch face to give the correct torque rating for the clutch cover. The standard Verto flywheels are made of cast iron. We've actually made these of EN8, which then allows us to put slots around the outside edge, as you'll see, which reduces the weight at the most critical part, which is the outside diameter. These we've got down to 3.6 kilos, and that will really help with the acceleration of the car from standstill. Turning the flywheel over, you'll notice on the rear we've turned a nice radius into the flywheel here and then left a flat. Now the flat we've left on so that when you bolt the flywheel to the cover, you can run a DTI on that diameter to make sure that the flywheel is running true. You'll also note we've drilled a couple of holes here. These go through to the dowel holes, so if you ever want to get the dowels out, it's not going to be a pair of mole grips. It's going to be a little punch through the back, tap them out, so no damage to the dowels. So that was the flywheel, and these are the components you'll need to make the balanced assembly. This is the organic clutch plates from Helix Autosport, which we fit to the stage 2 assemblies. Moving along, we have the steel clutch centre, which obviously bolts internally then, as this one, to the clutch cover. So here's two that we assembled earlier and balanced. You'll notice what we do is we balance the covers first. So you can see, here's the balance holes where the cover itself is balanced. It's then assembled with the plate with these little Allen button head screws, and we fit the Schnorr taper faced washers under there so they don't come loose. We use the diameter which we mentioned earlier to clock the flywheel to make sure it's running true to the crankshaft and the clutch cover. Sometimes they can be running out of true, so it must be checked. Then obviously we balance the flywheel. There you'll see that one's been done just there. And then that's a complete assembly, literally ready to fit. Just going back to the clutch covers, you'll notice if we turn this over, that the rear plate is ground before it's assembled. You will find on some clutch covers, this face is totally uneven, and when bolted to the flywheel, it makes the flywheel run out of true. So that is the ST1 clutch cover, which goes on to the ST1 flywheel assembly. This is an uprated cover over standard and will hold around about 85 foot-pounds of torque. Moving on from that, we go to the ST2 cover. This one is our uprated spring and also has 3 drive straps instead of 2 as per the ST1. This one will hold around about 150 foot-pound of torque. So there's an insight into the new Verto flywheel assemblies, showing all the parts, flywheels, clutch covers, plates, centres, etc, etc. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate, give us a call.